Okay, today we are going to try an experiment. We got it from this book called the Everything Kids Science Experiment book. We are going to try a couple different experiments. So we're going to start off with one that is called raw egg peeler. And it says, how can you peel a raw egg? So the materials that you need are a raw egg, vinegar, and a small glass. Okay, so go ahead, take that. So the first thing you have to do is take the egg and put it in the glass very carefully. Like, don't drop it because it'll crack. Then you have to use vinegar, and we're using distilled white vinegar. And do you want us to pour it, or do you want me to pour it? Me? Okay, so you're gonna pour it in, and you have to pour enough vinegar into the glass to cover the entire egg. Okay, I would say that that's covered. Do you agree? A little more. Are you sure? I think it's good. Now, the thing about vinegar is it stinks. Can you smell it? Yeah, it stinks. So the part of this is, I'm going to stop the video because it says you have to let it sit. You have to let it sit for a couple days. And then when we return, it's supposed to be, the eggshell has disappeared. That's what it says. The eggshell will disappear and the raw egg will become see-through. Right? All right. So we will commence the video in a few days. It's been a couple hours and you can see there's bubbles and you just missed it, but the egg like rolled by itself. Wait. We tried bouncing it and show the skin. That's the skin. But look, it's not running. It's staying still. That's crazy.
Wait. It bounced one time.